Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button. Let's get into the glass nails tutorial. Hey guys, once you finish checking out this video, definitely see my other videos available on my channel. So let's get straight into this glass nail tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to share the products, and the loose glitter I'm using today is Pinkie Pie. I'll also be using gold shards, which is gorgeous, and also the third glitter is called Time Traveler. So all these products are available on my website, and I will be sure to link and list them down below, so if you're interested then definitely check them out. The core system that I'm using as well is Nailmate, which again is available on my website, and I've already applied my tips, blended them in and done the clear base. So if you want to see the videos for that, then definitely check out my Ginner playlist, as everything is linked in there. So I'm starting off and coming in with a very wet clear base, and this is just to hold on to those glitters and the glitter pieces when I apply them to the nail. This set is super pretty and I was so happy with how it turned out. It looked absolutely stunning. So I'm applying Time Traveler, and then I come in with a mixture of Pinkie Pie and the gold shards as well. So by applying the clear acrylic just wet as the base, it's going to act as a glue and just grab a hold of those glitters and just make life a lot easier. Plus then you're not kind of bulking up your nail by picking your glitter up with a huge ball of clear acrylic, and then you're gonna have to kind of get rid of some of that, because that's when you start getting really thick nails. So this is what I'm going to do on all of the nails. If I need to add a bit more, I will. I'll just come in with a little bit more acrylic and just place the glitters in there. And if you feel it is easier, then definitely tip out a couple of the glitters or the glitter pieces onto some paper towel and pick them up that way. That way you're not going to pick up like a huge bunch of glitters. You'll just pick up the odd one here and there. So I'm just moving those pieces around, making sure that everything is laying flat, and that when I encapsulate, everything's going to be kind of underneath that acrylic. I don't want anything sticking up or hanging over the edge that's going to make it difficult when I encapsulate and come to file the nails, because that can actually weaken the structure of the nail and just cause issues further along the line if, say, you're going to wear these nails for 3 or 4 weeks. By the way, I am definitely not doing that. When do I ever wear my nails for that long? Never. I change them all the time. I just can't resist using all the lovely glitters we have and all the acrylics and gels. So I'm spoilt for choice and constantly have something different on my nails. I'm a little bit of an addict, I guess you could say. Okay, so I am going to follow the same process on all of the nails, since I wanted this set to be super simple and just classy and clean, and I really wanted to have glass nails on every single nail. I was just feeling that way out. I was like, yes, I am doing it. I want clear, super glassy, glossy finish with just like an outpour of glitter on all of my nails. So that is exactly what I did. So I'm not gonna lie, the process of this is the same on all the nails. However, by watching me work, applying my glitters, I guess you can learn how to maneuver and deal with that product, laying it on the nail, just making sure everything's in the correct position and all of that jazz. So I'm still going to leave it in there, and I'm going to let you guys watch and learn from it, and hopefully it does help you. If it doesn't help you, at least it can be relaxing and soothing. I love watching nail videos and just seeing the product being applied. It really just, I don't know, I just love seeing it. It's so satisfying, and then seeing the end results and everything kind of come to life. There's just something about it that I love watching and creating as well. So that's why I love to create these videos for you guys. If you didn't already, I would really appreciate it if you went ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. It would just really make me super happy. I'm trying to grow my channel and social media, and I'm working super hard on doing that by being more consistent with my content, and I hope you guys are realizing that and can see that as well. So by you sharing and liking and doing all of that other great stuff, it really helps me out. Okay, so now I've done 3. I wanted to show you a super close up on how they are looking. Look how sparkly and beautiful they are. Absolutely love them. Seriously, such a vibe. And you could definitely change colour. Like, I've got the Pinkie Pie glitter in there, but you could put a blue with that, like, and silver shards. You could do purple, green, lilac, red, any colour you want. You could literally change it up to whatever your favourite colour is. So yeah, it's definitely a versatile look, and of course you don't have to have the exact same glitters that I have. You can have whatever you want and just encapsulate those in the nails. I think it would look bomb. So yeah, I'm just quickly going ahead and showing the thumbnail. I'm just going to get that one done, and then we're going to move on and encapsulate these nails in clear acrylic. So the reason why I encapsulate the nails is because if we went in and filed the nails as they are now, we're literally just going to remove everything we've applied, and the nails aren't going to have the strength and the structure that they need to be able to last for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how long you or your client will wear them. So that's why we cap the nails, 1, to protect the design, and 2, to add that structure and strength to the nail. Plus they look super pretty when they are so smooth and glossy. I'm not gonna lie, it's my fave. I love a super glossy nail. So yeah, I'm coming in with Nailmate's Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just placing a large bead at the centre of the nail and allowing that to flow down, controlling it with my brush along the way and keeping it as neat as possible. This way I'm going to minimise my filing time, and that means I'm not going to spend like ages and ages filing the nails into shape and basically wasting product in a sense as well, because you kind of put all that product off and then you're going to have to, not put all that product off. Basically you've put all the product on the nail and then you're going to have to kind of remove all that product that's excess. So you might as well work as crisp and as clean as possible. So you're going to save the product but also save time on filing. So definitely try and work on that, because that will be a big time saver. I remember when I first started nails, they were quite like chunky and lumpy, and bits were where they didn't need to be, because I thought the thicker the better. Like, the thicker the nail, the stronger the nail, the longer it's going to last, and that really isn't the case. You do learn that as you go along, and obviously it's for each individual to kind of get to grips with their own kind of skills and figure it out themselves. But if I can help teach you the ways that I didn't get taught and that I had to figure out for myself, then that's great. If I can inspire you and help you, then I am happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I've got to encapsulate all of the nails, as we said, because we are protecting that design. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit more about the Nailmate acrylic system. So the acrylic system is flow sifted and treated to ensure the maximum quality and maximum clarity of those powders, to make sure that they apply like butter but also can be removed easy as well. So the system is vegan and cruelty free, and it's absolutely fabulous. Not to toot my own horn, but it really is amazing. And as I said, I will leave it down below, but I just wanted to add that information in there because I know that some of you guys love watching my videos. Some of you are new, so it might be news to you. But yeah, I wanted to pop that in there because not everybody knows. So I've gone ahead and encapsulated all of the nails, and I'm going to show you guys how my acrylic looks after I've applied it. So I haven't filed it at this point. This is how it looks. So look and notice how neat the product is, how we already kind of have that apex in there, and how the free edge already looks like a stiletto kind of shape. And this is how it looks filed. So it doesn't seem to be much of a difference. However, it is, of course, it's just refined that shape, but I haven't had to do like tons and tons of filing. So that's what I mean by keeping your product as neat as possible when you apply it. Just bear it in mind, the cleaner and crisper you work, the less filing and messing about you're going to have to do. So next I'm going to come in, I've removed all of my dust, and I'm going to apply super gloss. I just knew the top coating on this was going to be insane, so why not get a little closer and have a little bit more of a closer look at how beautiful this looks top coated. Honestly, I was blown away. I think it's just absolutely stunning. I do have a little bit of dust under the tip at the minute, but once I clean all that out and show you guys the end result, it's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, absolutely heart stopping. But yeah, I love how it turned out. So I'm going to top coat them all, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. And the lamp that I'm using is the Nailmate Pro lamp. I have the purple chrome because purple is my ultimate fave. If you didn't notice that, it's my fave. So yeah, I'm going to do that, cure them, and then I'll be back to apply my cuticle oil. Also, seeing the nails like this as well without the top coat on, if you wanted the matte, it would also look super, super amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to try some matte nails, but I'm waiting for our matte top coat to be finalised and to get it in our hands, because that's going to be exciting. But yeah, finishing off this one, and then we're going to come in with that cuticle oil. So the cuticle oil that I'm using is the lemongrass cuticle oil. It's available on my website, and again I will link it down below. I love the nifty little bottles that we have them in. I decided I wanted them in this because I am forever having cuticle oils everywhere, in my bag, in my pocket, everywhere. And this is a no spill cap, so it locks when you've closed the lid on it, so you're not going to have to worry about it kind of opening up in your handbag or anything like that. So I love it. Plus it's super sanitary, you're not kind of using a brush and then dipping it back into the bottle, so it kind of makes sense. So guys, this is the final result. I love how they look super bougie, bomb and sassy, and honestly I am living for them, like living for these nails so much. Oh, the way the light catches them at all different angles, honestly, I can't get enough of them. I filmed so many end shots for this video, it is unbelievable. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the ones that I chose to share, and if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out all of my other uploads, my beginners playlist and my recent nail videos that I've uploaded, because I am here for you guys. I am here to create content that you guys enjoy and love. As always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Bye.